back to Whitney's Wednesday. I'm so glad that you are back today. I have a very exciting palette to be playing with today that's been so popular and all over the internet, and I have gotten my hands on it. And that palette we are talking about, or I should say palettes, is the new Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Part 2, if you want to say. Yeah, so she came out with, of course, the most beautiful, amazing palette that every makeup MUA should own. And so supposedly the second one is some of the colors that she didn't use for her first one. So she came out with a whole 4 set of palettes. Today I am going to be using Armed and Gorgeous. So I think I will be making separate videos and tutorials on the other 3 or 4 palettes. I say 3 because the only one I didn't get is the blue palette. I'm not 110% sure of the name, but I don't wear blues. It takes me back to a dark time in middle school when all I wore was a blue eyeshadow, and I can't make it look good. Other people can, and wow, you guys do an amazing job, but I can't. It makes me cringe with blue eyeshadow. So today I'm gonna go do a look with my palette. This is the yellow orangey shades, and I'm so excited for this one. It kind of reminds me of fall, and I love yellow shades. It's different. You don't really see it in the makeup community. And greens, I think, I was totally pointing at the bronzer one. Greens, I think, are gonna be kind of new to the beauty community. I'm seeing a little bit more, but not as much, but I'm really hoping to see some more because I love olive green in the fall time. So keep on watching and we'll get right into the tutorial. Also, sorry if I look like a mess. I took a shower and I didn't wash my hair, so everything down here is wet and curly and ooh. So today, let's get started. So of course, I am already gonna dip into this yellow shade. It's called Excess. So I'm gonna dip in with the skinny fluffy brush. I also love how this palette has a mirror. Ooh, she is Fallout E. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go into my crease with this yellow shade. Ooh, oh, there's a lash trying to get into my eye. Oh, multiple of them, boy. Alrighty, that color is applied and I love it. It's like a nice little a yellow mustard color. I'm living for it. So next I'm gonna go into Secure. It's a little more of a brighter orange. I'm just gonna deepen this outer corner. Ooh, I'm so excited to dip in this one. And I'm just using the same brush I was using just because we're building it together. Oh, these 2 shades together are so pretty. I'm feeling fall vibes already. Ooh. Whew. All right, now for the next shade, we're going in with Agent. It just looks like a tad more darker than the Secure color we use, a little more of a brown tint to it. And I'm gonna start going on the outer corner again, but I am gonna start applying it onto my lid as well. As I'm applying this color, shade, whatever you'd like to call it, to my lid, I'm gonna drag it down underneath my waterline as well. Alright, and we are gonna go a little darker. I'm going to step into Smooth Criminal. I'm gonna go with this kind of flatter brush. Looks like there's some stuff on it. Make sure it is clean before dipping in. And just dabbing into that. You wanna be really light-handed with darker colors. So I'm just gonna go right on the lid, just same area, deepen this up a little bit. And same thing, I'm gonna go in that same motion and go right underneath my waterline as well. I am loving this. It's giving me like an ombre effect of just yellows and orange and browns. Love it. And last dark shade we're to go into is Proud. It's the deepest brown we got here. I'm just gonna go in that same motion one last time. Very light-handed because this is our darkest shade. I'm going in with the clean, fluffy brush and just going over any harsh edges, just making sure it's all blended out. Next, I'm going in with the small flat brush and dipping into Top Secret. And I'm gonna apply this all over my inner corner of my lid. Just pick her up a little bit. Oh, that's amazing. This color is amazing, but I must say there is a lot of fallout and my face is already done. So it makes me really nervous, but it does just sweep away real easy. So no marks left, so that's good. Okay, it's a little harsher on the edges, so I'm just gonna go in with a skinny flat brush just so I have a little more control in blending out these edges. I also have a dry patch of skin on my lid, so you're gonna see a lot of rough flakes of skin just kind of on my lid, so just ignore that. So I guess you could kind of call this like a cut crease kind of look with the green. Usually people do, you know, like concealer or foundation, kind of cut that out so they could lay down a base. I already have foundation on and I don't like recutting like a crease with concealer because I have not completely mastered it, I'll be honest. And sometimes I just go a little too far with the concealer and I end up taking off my whole lid almost, and it's like all that work for nothing. So that's why I'm just kind of going on my lid right away, no concealer. Like I said, I do have foundation on, and plus I really wanted to blend with these colors out here, so no concealer for me. So I do want to leave this inner corner really matte for me, but I do want to dip into this VIP color. It looks gorgeous. So I am going to really wipe off that flat brush we were just using with the green shade. Make sure there's no more green on it. We're good. I'm gonna dip into that and just go right underneath my brow bone. Just a hint of it. Oh, I'm so excited. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love that. I love it so much. Love it. Okay, so what I think I'm going to try to achieve is do a black winged eyeliner and line it with white on top. So I'm really nervous because I haven't done this in a while and I don't want to mess up this eyeshadow because it's so pretty. So I'm going to go very light-handed and really small, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I did it. I did it. I'm shaking and sweating because this was so precise, and oh my god, I don't even know, does it look okay? I did use NYX white liquid liner, and I noticed their liners crack really bad, so I don't have the best white eyeliner to start with, but hey, far away. It's not that bad. Right? Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some mascara and some lipstick, and I think I'll be done. So I'll be right back. Woo! Set that in place with my Morphe setting spray. And I finished off with, this is Maybelline, color 704, Carnel Brown. I just wanted to keep it kind of neutral, kind of more fall tone, but I love this look. Definitely a look I'm gonna have to save and do again for the fall. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Love you. Bye.